delicious Egyptian dessert, basbousa. I'm on the bike right now, about to head over the Nile River into downtown Cairo. So come with me and let's check out basbousa. Yalla. They have a lot of sweets here, as you guys can see. Let me show you. بصور تمام؟ Goes on YouTube.
No, YouTube no.
Yeah, YouTube. I actually haven't had this in a while. I don't make a lot of... I think I need a fork. If you like sweet stuff, you're gonna love Egyptian desserts. What is basbousa? Today I'm here in Gisselle, Egypt, about to head on my motorcycle to Cairo, so just across the Nile River here into downtown Cairo, to show you guys this delicious Egyptian dessert. So yalla, let's go. Here in downtown Cairo, outside Patisserie El Abd, where they have a lot of delicious sweets, but like I said, today I'm going to be showing you basbousa. So yalla, let's go inside. Alright, hopefully they don't mind me filming. I'm just going to walk in and try and see what they say. Assalamu alaikum. عندك بسبوسة؟ هنا تمام شكرا. Okay, so I don't even know what the names of all of these are. I've definitely had a lot. ايوه كنافه ولا ايه ده؟ كنافه تمام. ايه
بلح الشام.
ايه؟
بلح الشام.
بلح شكرا. Yeah, they have a lot of sweets here, as you guys can see. Let me show you. So I'm gonna have to decide what kind of basbousa I want. So let me explain basbousa and then I'll show you guys when I purchased it. But basbousa is a cake. It's originally from Egypt, so Egyptian cake made with semolina batter. And for those of you that don't know, semolina is like a coarsely ground durum wheat. They use it to make like couscous and pasta and things like that, and also basbousa. So it is this semolina batter cake and then soaked in a syrup. It could be like an orange flower syrup or a rose water or like a simple syrup. I think most of the time they use a simple syrup here in Egypt, but I really don't know. That's just me guessing. So, okay, I have to figure this out. I'm gonna spend some time perhaps deciding, but let me show you these other cakes. ايه؟
اساعدك في حاجه؟
حاجة عايزة بسبوسة.
انت عايز تعرفي حاجات معينه ممكن اساعدك برضه اسال على حاجه.
ممكن مشكلة دي؟
مش قوي بس عادي مش مشكله يعني.
مشكلة؟ أو مش مشكلة؟ اوكي شكرا. عندي قناة على يوتيوب.
ما فيش اي حاجه. لو عوزتي اي حاجه ممكن اساعدك.
أنا أصلا أنا أتكلم شوية عربي.
وانا برضه اتكلم شويه انجليزي.
تمام. بس بصور تمام؟
ده لصديق مثلا او صديقه او حاجه زي كده بس friend only friend
Only my friend.
your friend يعني this
goes on YouTube.
No, YouTube no.
Yeah, YouTube. I'll stop filming then. Okay, I will just buy it and then show you guys once I'm outside. Alright guys, I wish I could have filmed more in there, but I kind of expect that when going into a shop they might say yes, they might say no, just because the other people around might not want to be on camera, probably is my assumption. So anyways, I got the basbousa, and that came to 95 pounds. So the left side here is the basbousa, and on the right side we have the kunafa with cream, as very obviously cream here. So yes, this is basbousa, and I'm going to now try it. I actually haven't had this in a while. I don't make a lot of... Oh, I think I need a fork. I don't make a lot of sweets videos because I'm not a huge fan of sweets, to be honest. I usually like meat and spicy food and things like that. I have this, so... I don't know how to get it out of here though. I don't have like a fork. I'm looking like a barbarian. Whatever. You can see the texture though. Oh no! It just dropped down my shirt. Anyways, as you can see, yeah, it's just soaked in this syrup. Very messy. Very delicious. Would recommend eating with a fork. Yeah, it is just soaked in this syrup. And yeah, if you like sweet stuff, you're gonna love Egyptian desserts because they're all very sweet, like just soaked in honey. Yeah, they're very loaded with sugar. So yeah, if you like sweets, you're gonna love Egypt for their desserts. And I've actually made a video about kunafa. So kunafa, once again, the one with the cream inside. I made one video about that about a year ago during Ramadan of 2022, I believe, yeah. So check that out if you're curious more about kunafa. Ellen, got a viewer. So yeah, that is basbousa, guys. A semolina cake soaked in probably simple syrup, but it could be rose water or orange flower water. This location of the patisserie is in downtown Cairo. You can look it up. I will leave a link in the description. So yes, I'm going to be making other sweet videos about Egyptian desserts in the future, but I do have a trip upcoming that I'm going to be going on. So keep your eyes out for that. Very excited. But yeah, thanks for following along. Check out my other videos, and I will see you guys on the next one.